You know the sign is the moves that I'm supplying. I'll take my glasses. I'm gonna bounce back up and kick some asses. I'm about to call your bluff. You think you own me? You don't control me. You think you hurt me, saying that I'm freaky. You're just afraid. I'm here to stay. Not gonna be that geek who walked away. You think you own me? You don't control me. You think you hurt me, saying that I'm freaky. You're just afraid. I'm here to stay. Just 'cause I'm different, I shouldn't walk away. You think you own me?
Marilyn Manson, Sweet Dreams.
I said settle down, everything is fine. Take your eyes off the floor. She said no I'm not alright. I lost my head on the door. She said just such.
Hey Mary, show me that lift.
Time and turning on against someone isn't art, that's hard to change. Another clever word sets off an unsuspecting hurt, and as you step back in the line, I'm marching to that pain. Now dance, fuck or dance, man, you never had a chance. And I believe in you, it was really you, and now you steal away.
Company, always on the run. A destiny, oh, it's the rising sun.